How to enable pinch to zoom on Google Chrome mobile browser. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device, go to any website. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the three dots at the top right corner, click on Settings in here. After you click on Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After you click on Accessibility, you will find this kind of screen. In here, you'll find Force Enable Zoom. Simply turn it on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do that, you can simply go back from here and zoom in the website. This is how to enable pinch to zoom on Google Chrome mobile browser. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.